Let's welcome our guest today. His name is
Geoffrey.
Geoffrey Gadzi.
Yeah.
He'll tell us how he does the farming, the poultry farming, and the rest of the farming that they do around. So welcome. Let's welcome Geoffrey.
Okay,
Tell us about yourself.
I'm an architect by profession and I do farming as my part-time job.
So tell us about how you go about rearing the poultry from brooding to maturity level.
Okay, the process starts when you have a chick, let's say one chick. That one chick you get it for 100 to 120 Kenyan shillings. Uh, and before that chick starts laying eggs, it takes a duration of 4 months, four and a half months that is.
Okay.
Okay, and after those 4.5 months, it lays eggs for 1.5 year. Yeah.
Okay. After you acquire the chicks at day one, how often do you do the vaccination?
Okay. Uh, the vaccination starts in the ninth day of the breeding process, where you do vaccinate them with the Gubera vaccine.
Okay.
On the 14th day, the Newcastle vaccine,
Okay.
and the 20th day, another Newcastle vaccine.
Okay.
Yeah.
So how often do you feed the chicks?
Okay, the chicks are fed twice a day.
Okay.
Okay, in the morning and in the evening.
The layers, how many times do they lay within a day? Yeah, within a day.
Okay, after 4.5 months of brooding, the chicks are now hens. They're now chicken, that is, and they start laying eggs. And they usually lay one egg a day per chick or per hen.
Okay. Fantastic. We are getting to learn more about poultry farming. So up to now, we already know the process since brooding till when the chicken starts to lay eggs. What's the productivity period of a chicken?
Mm-hmm. The period in which a hen do lay eggs, let's say 1.5 years after it started laying the eggs.
Okay,
Yeah.
that's a good period. I'm assuming you have already recovered your profit break even after you've done all your the structures, and you've already started making good profit with that.
Okay, with the chicken business. Okay, after a hen lays an egg, and that egg is sell it at 10 bob. The 10 shillings, that's the gross profit, but the net profit is 5 shillings, because it will have spent 5 shillings of that 10 shillings.
Okay.
So we are getting almost half of the price as profit. Yeah.
That's good. That's good because now
The
that
production.
means, yeah, that means you're making a gross margin of 50%.
Yeah.
Yeah, which is it's good business, I can say.
And
You're in business.
yeah, in business.
You're in business.
And when they're done laying the eggs, you dispose the hen. We're talking about one hen right now.
Okay.
So that one hen, when you dispose it, you recover that money you bought it with as a chick, and the money it used for it to become a full grown hen.
Okay.
Yeah.
Fantastic. You mentioned about broilers.
Okay. Yeah, I did.
You do rare broilers.
Okay, I do rear broilers, but I don't rear them for business purposes. For me, the best idea I got was rearing chicken for eggs,
Okay.
because that can give me a lifespan and a flow of income within those 1.5 years. But for broiler, you say like you rear that chicken, but you never get that flow of income. You just rear it and then sell it. Then what next?
Yeah, true.
So I do prefer rearing the layers type of chicken
Okay.
for business purposes.
Okay. So my viewers, we are here to support one another. So he's a youth in business. So if you're a youth outside there and you're thinking of starting chicken farming, you can do it. If someone else is doing it, Geoffrey is doing it, you can also do it. So let's now visit the chicken houses and we get to see what Geoffrey does in real life. So thank you and follow us to the chicken houses.
Peace.
So Geoffrey, how many chicks do you have here?
These are 200.
Oh wow, these are mature ones, if I may say so, right?
These are mature, though they are 4 months old.
Oh, 4 months.
These are 4 months old.
Wow.
This is the Kembru type. Yeah, this is the Kembru type of chicken.
Okay.
Yeah, they are good for business because you can rear them for meat purposes and at the same time for eggs.
Okay.
Yeah, for meat and eggs. Yeah.
All right. It's good to note. So you keep on watering these. What do you call these hanging items?
These are called drinkers.
Drinkers.
These are automated drinkers.
Okay, awesome. So the water just get into them, into the drinkers directly.
Automatically, yeah.
Wow.
From a water point.
Okay.
Yeah.